This week has been eventful with all the AI developments and news, and I can't wait to discuss them with you in this video. We'll cover the top AI updates of the week, starting with the concerning discovery of a new AI tool called Fraud GPT. This malicious tool is circulating on the dark web and Telegram channels, designed to aid cybercriminals in various illegal activities, such as crafting spear phishing emails, generating undetectable malware, and creating phishing pages. It utilizes generative AI and chat GPT technology, making it difficult to detect and posing a significant threat to online security. On a more positive note, there's an app called Text with Jesus that allows users to engage in interactive conversations with biblical figures like Jesus Christ and the Apostles. This AI-powered chatbot uses advanced AI and chat GPT technology to provide realistic and personalized dialogues based on biblical scriptures, catering to devoted Christians seeking a deeper connection with the Bible. Adobe Photoshop has introduced a new AI feature called Generative Expand, which enables users to add missing parts to images automatically. By dragging the image to the desired size and clicking the Generate button, Photoshop fills in the gaps using AI algorithms. This powerful tool will undoubtedly be beneficial for designers and editors. Another exciting development comes from Stability AI, which has launched a new image creation tool named Stable Diffusion XL. This tool can create detailed images with enhanced colors, shadows, and lighting, and it's accessible for everyone on platforms like GitHub, ClipDrop, and Dream Studio. However, there are concerns about its potential misuse and copyright infringement, so the company is actively working to address these issues. In a significant move, Meta has released its large language model, Llama 2, as open source. This model is pre-trained on 2 trillion tokens of public data and aims to encourage innovation, diversity, and responsibility in the AI field. Meta has partnered with tech companies like Microsoft, Amazon, and Hugging Face to make Llama 2 accessible and compatible with various platforms and frameworks. Google has introduced its new AI system, Robotics Transformer 2, RT2, which acts as a bridge between the internet and robots. RT2 can translate internet-based knowledge into robotic actions, enabling robots to learn from online sources and execute tasks based on natural language instructions. Lastly, LinkedIn has launched an AI-powered tool called LinkedIn Coach to assist users in enhancing their professional profiles and networking skills. The tool uses natural language processing and sentiment analysis to analyze users' profiles, messages, posts, and comments, providing advice on optimizing their profiles and networking strategies. That wraps up this week's AI news. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated on all my future uploads. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.